Now, I had to come back to the peanut field on my way back to my home, and I wanted to share with you another interesting thing that happens down here in the South. Up in Oregon, we're known for trees, growing trees. We're known for potatoes, onions, wheat. Down here, we have cotton, peanuts, sugar cane, not sugar beets, but sugar cane. It grows tall like corn. But one of the fun things they do with peanuts, for instance, is they boil them. They boil the raw peanuts, so they'll take these off the plant, they'll wash them, and they'll boil them, and it softens the peanut inside the shell just enough, and they flavor them, and they sell it, and it is amazing. They're really yummy. But you want to know where your peanut butter comes from, or your peanut in your trail mix, or your peanuts in your, maybe you have caramel popcorn with peanuts. It comes from a field like this. But of course there's all different varieties of peanuts, and but they just bring them out here to dry, and you can see them all down there. So the next machine will come through in a day or two and send them through, and it will pull the peanuts off the stalk and load them up in the trucks, and we see lots and lots of harvest trucks pulling wagons full of peanuts. And guess what? It smells just like peanut butter. It's kind of cool. Anyway, as you can see, this field goes on and on and on and on and on. On and on and on. Lots of acres of peanuts. It's kind of what it's like in the South. And yes, we have lots of sunny weather, but we do get our share of rain. And but we're very excited for the harvest. It's time for the peanuts to be harvested. The cotton is right behind it, and in a few months they will flop these fields, and they do rotation of crops, if you guys are familiar with rotation of crops. And cotton takes the place of peanuts, and peanuts takes the place of cotton. So next year, this field right beside our property line will be cotton, and across the street there will be peanuts. So anyway, I'm going to stop here, and I hope that you guys have enjoyed our little farm tour, cotton field virtual field trip. And I look forward to sharing any other information I can with you.